Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the data in Excel and deciding how you want it to behave in Word. Once selected, copy the range. In Word, place the cursor precisely where the table should go. Make sure to choose Paste Special and then Paste Link if you want automatic updates, or Embed if you prefer a static snapshot. This first step sets the connection type and determines whether changes in Excel will flow into Word, so choose based on whether you need live syncing or a fixed copy. Now perform the actual insertion. In Word, use Paste Special, pick Paste Link, and select Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object so the table stays connected to the source. Once linked, you can resize or use Table Auto Fit options, but be aware, converting the object to a native Word table breaks the live link. If you want consistent formatting, tweak the Excel source and let Word display it. That keeps styling centralized. And if you must change layout, decide whether to edit Excel or accept a one-time conversion. Finish by saving Excel and Word so the link persists. Once done, reopen Word or right-click the object and choose Update Link to pull the latest data. This is how updates propagate. If the source file moves, use Word's Link Manager to relink to the new path. Otherwise, the table will show errors. For formatting issues, tweak column widths in Excel and refresh the link rather than editing the Word object, because the live connection keeps layout controlled by the source and reduces future merge problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.